What is up, people in the interwebs? I hope you have an amazing day, and today I'm going to show you how to create these Gryffindor nails that are one of the Hogwarts houses from Harry Potter. The tools that you are going to need are these nail polishes, of course a top and base coat polish, some nail tape, and you're also going to need this nail plate and a stamping kit. You also need some nail scissors, or some regular scissors will do as well. And you may also want to have a pair of tweezers with you as well, as some parts of this design can be done a lot easier with tweezers, but if you haven't got any tweezers, then don't worry, as you can just use your fingers instead. But don't worry, if you haven't got any of these tools that you need, I will put a link in the description below where you can find any of these tools. So let's jump right into this design. So for starters, you're going to need to apply a base coat to all of your nails. Once the base coat has dried, you are going to apply 2 coats of red nail polish. Once the red nail polish has dried, you are just going to apply a quick layer of top coat, and you're just going to let that top coat dry. Whilst you're waiting for the top coat to dry, you're going to want to grab your nail tape and your scissors, and you're just going to want to cut 4 long pieces from the nail tape. As on all of our fingers apart from our ring finger, we are just going to create the 2 main colours that distinguish the Gryffindor house of red and yellow. Once the top coat has dried and you have got your 4 pieces of nail tape, you are then going to apply the 4 pieces of nail tape diagonally along your nail. You are going to want to place 2 thin stripes near together at the top, and then you're going to want to leave a slightly bigger gap in the middle. And then with the 2 last bits of the tape, you are just going to want to replicate what you have done at the top of your nail back to the bottom. Once you have got your 4 pieces of nail tape firmly pressed onto your nail, you are then going to want to apply yellow nail polish on top of the nail tape. You are going to want to keep the yellow polish within the nail tape. You don't want to go beyond the nail tape, as we want to get a good distinction of both house colours, so you want to get a nice proportion of the yellow and red nail polish on each nail. Once you have applied the yellow polish within the nail tape, the second you have finished it, you are going to want to peel away the nail tape, as you want to do this process whilst the yellow polish is still wet, as it is much easier to get clear, distinctive lines when the polish is wet. If you leave it to dry, you could lead to ruining your design, and we don't want that to happen. Once you have pulled away all the nail tape, you just want to get a wooden stick, or just even use your nail, and you're just going to use this just to remove any nail polish that may have happened to flood within your cuticle area. And once you have removed any excess nail polish, you may also want to use your wooden stick to just do some slight tidy ups on your nail, just in case if any of the yellow polish happened to flood over onto either some of the red parts of the nail. And if that happens, don't worry, all you have to do is just apply some red nail polish onto your stick, and then just quickly cover up any bits of the design that you wanted to stay red, and just cover it with some more red polish, just in case any parts of the yellow polish happens to flow into some areas you didn't want to have red nail polish in. But once you're happy for how the design looks, you are then going to apply a top coat. You are then just going to want to tidy up the nail, so you're just going to want to remove any excess nail polish from your finger. Once you have done that, all of your fingers apart from your ring finger is done, and we have then done the main part of representing the 2 house colours on our nails, and we just need to create the house logo on our ring finger. And this is quite easy really, as all you have to do is just whip out the nail plate and your stamping kit, and you're going to want to apply some yellow nail polish onto your nail plate, and then you're just going to scrape the polish through the design, and grabbing your stamper, you are going to press your stamper onto the plate and pick up the Gryffindor logo, and then using some tape or even a stick, you're just going to remove any excess design that we do not want on our nail. So we're just going to remove everything apart from the logo from our stamper, and once we have just got the logo on our stamper, we are then going to place the Gryffindor logo into the center of our nail, and once it is on our nail and we are happy for how the design looks, we are then going to add a top coat. And there you guys have it. This is a real quick, easy, simple Gryffindor nail art design, and any Harry Potter lover out there will love this design, especially if anyone has taken the Pottermore quiz and the house that they should be in is Gryffindor. So if you are a Gryffindor, then this is the nail design for you. Fun fact, if anyone's wondering, is I've also done the Pottermore quiz and I am a Hufflepuff, so I am a proud Hufflepuff. I have Hufflepuff power within my veins. But don't worry, some of my next videos coming up in the future will be creating a nail art design for each house. So if you are either a Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw or Slytherin, I will be creating a design for you guys as well. So there are some good things yet to come. If you like this video, please leave it a like. If you have any other ideas of what nail art I should be creating, leave a comment below. And just remember guys, keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and I will see you guys in the next nail video. Bye!